Here we go. Time to do the battery. Well, battery box, I should say. I needed some more clearance here to get 2 pipes in to go over that way. So the battery is going to get moved over. But I can't really do it with this factory tray, the way it bolts in. So I went to the store, got some 1" by 1/8" thick angle iron. So I'm going to make a battery box out of that. Put a piece of flat in. Get that all cleaned up, obviously. Right in the middle for the holes. And I think I'm going to break out the powder coating kit and move the oven over. Hook it up and powder coat the battery box. So drop it in the comments what color I should do it. I'll get the colors out in a few so you can take a look at them. Some old school stuff right here. So we got metallic red. I think that's some chrome left over in there. Metallic blue. Got this weird neon color. Some gold. Regular red. Regular yellow, maybe? Oh, actually, I don't remember. What is this? RAL 1023. Just a safety yellow. Metallic purple. Got black. A weird metallic purple. And then I think that's some more super chrome that's in there. So, yeah, drop it in the comments what color you think I should do the battery box and do a video about it. If you guys want to see it. If not, tell me don't do it. First step, get the battery on there. Get it even on one side. And I'm going to give myself just a little bit of extra in there. So I'm going to cut this in the bandsaw and then make that exact measurement for the other side. Then I'll put it up here and cut out this side and this side with the next measurement. Then I can tack the whole bottom together, or heck, even weld it. Then make some, maybe make a back brace or something on it. Do some verticals, and then get ready to do the factory top mount. So if I do make a kit, I can just make the box, the bottom. You can use your factory top clamps, and yeah, go from there. Let's get cutting. Perfect. Just a little bit of extra on each side. So we'll get that copied to here, cut another piece, and measure some sides. Well, there's the basic shape. So I need to mark here and here and cut out that notch, that notch, that notch, and that notch. So I can put them all together, clamp them tight, tack them all together, fully weld it, and I can work on the uprights next. Got a little ahead of myself. So it's welded up. I decided to make it just a little bit bigger. Yeah, I got it super hot. I don't care. So I need to figure out the hole pattern, which with the battery box over here, I can use this because I made it a little bit bigger. And that already has the spacers to clear bolts. So I can trace out a pattern from that and from this. And get my 2 bolts, which are right there and right there. Drill those into there, and we can bolt it to the frame rail. So she's cooled down for the most part. This is about the thickness of the bolt head, how it's going to be. So I'll just drop that into there. And then I can take the battery and put that in there, which, spinning around, there we go. Now I can take these corner pieces and weld those on. That should give me just enough clearance around it. So I'll measure that to up to about right here probably. And then I'll get those tacked on the corners, and then I'll do some bracing down this way. And then hopefully if I have enough left over, I can do a small lip across the front, about like that. So I can use the factory hold down with the kit. You can just hook it straight to there to go down to your factory mounts. So that'll be the idea for the kit. There's the factory hold down, where the hook's going to be. Spin that one around. So really it's just gonna be flat stock across there, flat stock corner, and a flat stock corner over here. So that is the battery box. I'm probably just going to overhang that, make a little tiny piece just right over here or something. I don't know yet. I'll figure something out. That's the factory one. And then back here, another one just right there on the back side. Once that's all completely done, I can put it in the car, drill the 2 holes for the mounts, and then get ready to take it all apart, sandblast it, and powder coat it. Tell me what color, guys. So here's the battery box in there. I got my tape, and I marked this side where the tape is. Pretty much is the center line of the bolts. Marked both of those on the actual bracket. Then I can take it out, mark it on the actual bracket, measure from, oh, actually, they don't have to measure from my line for the distance. So I can measure from that line to where the first hole is, and then to the second hole. So I can trace from my mark on that to the mark back here, measure, drill 2 holes, and my mount is ready for all the bracing, which I need to buy tomorrow at the store. Battery is out, and there's my marks. So 1 1/4, and then from there to there is 4 5/8. So I got my center line marked over here. Got my mark that I made, traced the line. So the reflection's gonna kill me here. That one was there, and the other one is up here on pretty much the roll. So I decided to bring that back 1/4 inch to right in the middle of the 1 inch bar, and I brought that back 1/4 inch, will be right in the middle of that weld. So I have my 2 points to drill my holes, which I'll probably drill it 1/8 of an inch bigger than this, whatever that turns out to be. Just so I got a little bit of wiggle room to move this around. And then I'll weld in probably 1, 2, 3 risers to clear the bolts. Get my braces tomorrow, weld it up, and I'm probably going to end this video just as a quick short, so you guys can let me know about the powder coating. Words are hard, as always. Got to get some argon tomorrow at the store, so yeah, let me know, guys. Thought about it, definitely ending the video, because I got to get the battery tray done, and already started kind of messing around back here. Get the oil feed on, start messing with the wastegate spring, where I'm going to bring the line around. I'll just maybe 3D print some brackets and keep that nice and tidy, and then get ready for the oil feed that's going to tap in over here. So I think that'll be a nice little addition on that side. Just make sure the routing looks pretty, get that in, and then I can start making my intercooler piping and welding all that up this weekend. Maybe if I have enough gas, do the muffler at the very end. But all right, guys, see you on the next one. Remember, let me know about the powder coating color. Bye.